PurePod Produce Cleaner Review. Does PurePod really clean fruits and vegetables? In this video, we're taking an honest look at the PurePod Produce Cleaner to find out whether it really cleans fruits and vegetables, or if it's simply another viral kitchen gadget with exaggerated claims. PurePod is a portable produce cleaning device that is placed in a bowl of water with your fruits or vegetables. According to the manufacturer, it uses water activation or electrolysis-based technology to help remove dirt, wax, surface residue, and some contaminants without using soap or chemical cleaners. So does it actually work? The answer is yes, but with some important limitations . Like many similar produce cleaning devices, PurePod appears to help loosen visible dirt, dust, and some surface residue from fruits and vegetables. If you've ever washed grapes, strawberries, lettuce, or apples, you may notice that the water looks dirtier after using the device. However, dirty-looking water alone does not prove that harmful pesticides or bacteria have been completely removed. This is where many advertisements become misleading. Some promotional videos suggest that PurePod removes nearly all pesticides, bacteria, and other contaminants. At the moment, there is limited independent scientific evidence publicly available to confirm these broad marketing claims. While electrolysis-based cleaning technology has legitimate applications, consumers should be cautious about assuming that dramatic before and after videos are proof of complete food decontamination. Food safety experts continue to recommend washing fresh produce thoroughly under clean running water before eating it. For firm produce like apples, potatoes, and cucumbers, gently rubbing or scrubbing the surface, while rinsing is still considered one of the most effective and widely recommended cleaning methods. Devices like PurePod may serve as an additional cleaning step, but they should not replace proper food handling practices. In terms of ease of use, PurePod is simple to operate. You place your produce in water, activate the device, wait for the cleaning cycle to finish, and then rinse the produce before eating or storing it. So is PurePod worth buying? If you're looking for a convenient tool that may improve your produce washing routine and you're comfortable paying for the added convenience, PurePod may be a useful kitchen gadget. However, if you're expecting a device that completely eliminates pesticides, bacteria, and every harmful contaminant, the available public evidence does not clearly support those expectations. Here's a pro tip. No produce cleaning gadget can replace buying fresh produce from reliable sources, storing it properly, and washing it thoroughly before consumption. Good food safety habits are still your best defense, and that's our honest review of the PurePod Produce Cleaner. It appears to be a useful produce washing accessory, but many of its strongest marketing claims should be viewed with healthy skepticism until supported by more independent scientific testing. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews, and let me know in the comments which kitchen gadget you'd like me to review next.